Welcome back to cryptogains for another video. I want to show you the Bitcoin price chart, show you what I see. I've been looking for the top of the market, and I've actually been sitting back over the last week or two because you notice I haven't done much analysis. Maybe now you see analysis videos over the last few days, but I've been sitting back because I wanted to find more information, more data, better indicators that can probably show me where the top of the cycle is going to be. And this is what you're going to see in this video. So stick around for this. It's a powerful one. You don't want to miss out on this, because I'm only showing this once on my channel. I think because the only other time you're going to probably see this is if you become a Patreon. You have my exclusive VIP partner tier, and they're going to see this as part of the take profit guide, right? Because I'm going to be showing these guys exactly where I'm selling, and I'm going to be looking to take millions and millions, hundreds of millions out of this market, and that's not even a joke. Yeah, and with that comes my serious take profit guide. So if you don't want to miss this, because this is so damn powerful, you're welcome to become a patron. The link will be in the info section. Click it, come over. You will need, at the minimum, this tier here, exclusive VIP partner tier. It will unlock all my posts. My most popular one at the moment is this, because you can see when I'm buying. If you're good at selling, great. If you think you know the top, great. But if you want more precision on where the top will be or could be, and try and sell as much of your bags at the top, you're gonna need to see when I'm selling, or at least have my sell strategies. And this is where this comes into play, right? And this is where this here, I might drop it as a time capsuled video. I said it in one of the last videos, meaning that this whole series will be time capsuled. I might not pull it up on YouTube until months later. I know it sounds crazy, right? But that's good, because then it shows sort of like where I've been confident enough to take profits, and then you can kind of see how the market played out after I took my profits. So what are we looking at? We're looking at a few indicators here, and I'm basically just trying to find the top of the market, because I don't think many other influencers will be looking for the top right now, because they're thinking that it's going to go crazy massive high. And for the most part, the next 3 to 4 months could be exciting. I'm expecting it to. I'm expecting to see an insane rally, more specifically in the altcoins. But we need to pay attention. We need to know what's going to happen with Bitcoin, when's going to be the massive drop-offs and everything else. So let me show you a few indicators that I've been looking at. This top one's called the BB trend, right? Stands for Bollinger Band trend, which is weird because, you don't have a Bollinger Band up. But what I like to... Actually, does it show it? No. What this does is it basically talks about the strength of the trend. Meaning, let me bring this down. Let's mute this one for a second. Meaning, if prices are going up, how strong is that trend? If prices are going down, how strong is it? And that's what this is right here. Now you can see, so simple. Look, we've got the monthly time frame up for Bitcoin. I'm using this BB trend indicator, and it's just simple. Look, when prices reach the top of its cycle, meaning it's in the massive rally up, here's the top of the cycle, blow off top. Look what the BB trend is doing. It's printing these these red lines, strong red lines down like this, right down here, to show that that's the top. Now I suspect the reason these were longer back in the past, because this is 2013, this area here, was because Bitcoin is very volatile. The price was low. There was probably a lot of volatility in the market back then, because not many people were paying attention. As the price has matured, these swings of these red candles become less and less volatile, which is why they're getting smaller and smaller, right? Because the market's maturing a bit over time. But you can still get a good picture as to where you should be considering taking profits, because you want to take it at the top, and you can see I've drawn this sort of like see-through-y, mid-transparent-y kind of goldish kind of line, like beigey gold, you know what I mean? Which marks the top. There's the top there, there's the top there, there's the top there. Where am I going to mark the next one? Well, this is what we're trying to do, trying to look at these indicators, right? So I expect that when we see a massive surge in Bitcoin, which could probably take it up to about 120,000, maybe higher, we'll see. This is when we're going to start to see these reds play out, and it's already started to play out. If you look close, you can see here, these red lines are starting to come down. And eventually it will come down to sort of where these were before. So what do I expect? I've drawn this green line, right? And I'm going to move it up a little bit. I expect this green line that I'm moving here to come at least to here. I've put it, hold on, did I do it right? No, I've done it wrong. I'm moving the wrong one up. Hold on. Can I move it out? Let me just go back on this. I've done it wrong. This green line, hold on. Where is it here? I expect it to come to at least here, right? Which was where the last reds were in the last cycle of 2021. We saw a massive rally up. And notice as we're rallying up, this is where you see the change from the green to the red, and then the red starts to come down. There's your top, there's the reds, right? And then obviously as you enter the bear market, you see darker reds. Same with here, look, as you enter your bear market, because the trends changed, look, you start to see darker reds. And let's just confirm that on this one. Look, this is your bear market, and then, whoa, actually you had a few strong reds, but then it started to go dark red, right? As the lower you got in the market, it goes darker red. And I guess when the bottom is in, you can see here strong green can you call them candles? Just bars. Strong green bars come up when you're sort of at around the bottom, and it does it do it here as well? Well, we'll talk about the bottom of the cycle another time, because all I care about is the top. So I think that we are going to see red lines, red bars come down like this. Well, not like that, but you know what I mean. Just come straight down. I can't even draw it. I think we're going to see red lines. These are blue right now, but I think we're going to see red lines come down like this, just like what we saw here. And then this is going to mark the top of the cycle because it's done it in the past. So that's the first powerful indicator that I'm going to be sharing to the patrons. They're going to be seeing it frequently. They need to know what's going on, especially the ones that have my tier where you can see my sell alerts, right? Because if you have the exclusive VIP partner tier, you're going to have access to this take profit strategy guide, and essentially that's part of what I'm showing them here in this video here. Question is, do I show you this next one, or do I just keep it to myself? Well, you can kind of see what's going on with the lines, right? You can kind of see when the top of the cycle is here. I will show you, because I think it's not just about the patrons. I think it's important for other people to learn. This is the money flow index, right? Money flow index shows you when loads of money is coming into the market and when it's exiting and when it's leaving the market. So it kind of works like if you want, like a relative strength index, an RSI, but it's a bit different because it's tracking how much money is in the market at the time. So you can draw. Where's this green line? Can I take this one? No, it's not letting me do it. There's a green line here. Okay, I can bring this green line to about maybe here if I like, because this is where most of the money has been in the market, and that's always been at the top of the cycle here. Like you can see the yellow line straight up here. I've drawn this dotted green line. That's the top. That's the top. There's the top here. Go back to 2017 cycle. Look, and okay, there's a window of opportunity here because it starts to curve before it falls down. But the green line, that's where most of the money was, near enough at the top here. You see, this is why this is powerful, because you might be someone right now that's thinking, well, I've already seen a massive pump in Bitcoin's price. And, you're looking at this thinking, well, we could be here somewhere, and you're thinking, how much more room is there to go? Is there more room to go? Maybe there is, but when is the top? If you just look at this, look for, what level is this? This is that's a 90 level. I've drawn the green line at a 94 level. So when it comes up to sort of like the 94, 95 level, that for me is a signal that I might be looking to take some good profits or prepare to start selling, right? So we've still got some time, because right now it's at a 72 level. Yeah, so this yellow line will eventually come up, and I'm going to keep them up to date on this. They need to see it. They need to know what's going on. So when you use this money flow index indicator, with this, it becomes incredibly powerful because you have a clean insight. Hold on, I'm trying to make it bigger here. These two, you have a clean insight as to what's actually going on with the market and where the top could probably be, because you can see once it comes up to the 94, 95 level on the money flow index, here you can see on the BB trend that the reds are right down here. So I'm going to be looking for the yellow line to come up to this sort of greenish line here, and these red lines will be somewhere down here, and that's going to be the top of the cycle. And I'm going to look at the price and take it from there. Patrons will see what I'm doing. I'm going to leave it here. If it was helpful, drop that like, give me a subscribe. You can use this with another indicator, but maybe I'll share it to them in another video just to get more precision Yeah, become a patron. The link is in the info section of every video, including this one. Click it, come over, choose a tier. If you can afford it, my next tier above, which is my CEO tier, gives you access to the VIP Telegram group. You know, you have powerful insights over there. That's this tier here. You're super alerted to projects before most of the time I'm buying them, because they're smart investors catching these coins very early, making massive gains. I'm seeing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x's all the time. People going, oh, did you catch it? Yeah, I'm up 4x. Did you catch it? I'm up 8x. Can you imagine 4x in your money every day? You put $1,000 in, and then later on today you're out $4,000, and then you rinse and repeat. I think that's what's going on over there. So in 10 days you're making 40 grand. I think people are making good money in my Patreon. Or something's happening right, because I see a lot of people coming in, so I really appreciate you, and I'm glad people are, because it's taken a long time for us to sit through this disgusting bear market, hearing lots of silly comments on my channel, and he doesn't know what he's talking about, and blah blah blah. I'm cool. And you know what I've learned as a good influencer, you need to learn to just like let haters hate. You know, I've seen other influencers hate on me. You let them hate. I've seen other comments and, you know, people hate, and you let them hate, and you stay focused. And this is how successful traders make millions, because you stay focused. And this is why I've been very successful in making money in crypto, because I stay focused. And that's all I care about. I don't care about what people think of me. I like to believe I'm a funny, kind guy, but I'm here to make money, and you guys are too. And this is what it's about. So I'm just showing you what I'm doing on my journey, which has been working for me all since 2015. I'm going to keep going. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.